Good morning. Who remembers this book? If anybody can tell me what that book is from, I'm not even gonna say anything. Kylie and I were laughing at one of the stories in that book. I think it was in New Zealand.
Yeah, New Zealand.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm gonna read it again.
It is March 1st. Let's start daily vlogging.
My birthday's coming up. I want to finish it for birthday party.
Sit. 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 Oh, why won't you sit, huh? Sit.
What's waffles? Vegetables? Carrots?
At my mom's house this morning because she's going to Nashville today.
You want a stamp?
No, I don't want to stand.
It's a Jesus.
Ooh, I almost dropped my camera off. Okay. Lighting's better this way. I'm at my mom's house this morning. I made myself some coffee here because I'm taking my mom to the airport today. She's going to Nashville for the weekend. My dad's there, so she's meeting my dad there. And I'm holding down the fort while she's gone. Kylie doesn't have school tomorrow, but I still have to wake up and take Michelle to school. And I have a parent-teacher conference tomorrow too, so I would have had to get up anyway. Why is this camera not?
Oh. Can I bring the iPad?
What was that? Was that the cat? Roxy, let's go potty.
Let's go potty.
No, let's go potty, Roxy.
I did just go a little bit ago.
Aurora, go potty.
Girl, go potty.
All right, let's go. Where did I put my coffee? Oh, it's over here. All right, let's go, mothers. Let's go. I need help. Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Bye, Kylie.
Bye.
Don't forget your bag in the back. All right, what are we doing?
Getting food from Ikea.
We're trying to make it for breakfast at
I'm
Ikea.
hungry.
Since my mom flew out of Burbank, we're right near Ikea. I know I put it in heart, just for you. Got the waffles, got our, oh, mine has melted. Okay, let's pray.
There's a mom for the day. Again. See what we have.
Wow. Is this your house?
Yes. This is my house. Brand new. Got a stir fry going.
Oh, okay.
We have some wonderful plants.
What plants? Are you gonna make me some guac?
No, this is for mashing up ginger.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Well, for anything, actually.
Look, we have a little outdoor patio.
Wait, we're not there yet. Salad. 99 cents.
What did we get?
I got sour tongues. So I'm gonna try it.
Try it.
I'm scared.
It's not that sour. All right, we're heading home now. I will see you when we get back. Arts and Crafts Day.
Arts and Crafts Day.
Wow.
Thank you. Wow.
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 I keep forgetting my camera. We're going out to get some sushi. And Peter's gonna lock the door. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Excuse you.
Sorry.
Blinding. Oh, it's actually kind of nice. The sun is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, I gave up energy drinks.
Really? Like,
Yeah, right.
forever?
For now.
Okay.
What?
You gonna have this for dessert?
No, we can't have any more dessert today. We went and got boba for lunch instead of getting lunch. I'm making dinner right this second. Got some chicken cooking. Look at me, I'm all domesticated. Got some rice cooking. You better be grateful. I'm gonna put some real garlic in there too. How do you feel about that? Dang, that's looking so good. Yes, got some onions on there. It's gonna be marvelous. I never cook. I should cook more. Peter's just better at cooking. I'm not that good at cooking. But, you know, I just realized we opened this bag upside down. So there's like a Ziploc on this side, but we decided to cut it. We're so smart. We're so smart. I can't imagine a life being not as smart as us. Can't imagine it. Here it is. Looking good. Wet dog. Oh no, it's raining. Hurry up, Laura's. Hurry up. It's actually raining. I'm glad I turned my sprinklers off. Much later now. I'm all ready for bed. Peter's at an event tonight. He's at like a soiree kind of thing. Fancy kind of event with Yoshi. And Sarah and I decided not to go. Wet dog. Pooping in the rain. Pooping in the rain. Are you done? Oh, I'm sorry. I filmed you pooping and it's on the internet. I'm sorry. Oh, you're all wet. Let me get you a towel. Here we go. Let's dry you off. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. Yeah. Let me dry your feet. Give me that foot. Thank you. Give me the other foot. Nope, the other paw. Give me the other paw. Nope. Give me this paw. No, that's the wrong paw. This one. Give me this paw. Got my Hogwarts pants on. Anyway, time for bed. I have parent-teacher conferences in the morning, which means I get to see how Kylie's doing in school. I'm actually ending a vlog, so I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.